In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Patreon with Discord. By the end, your Patreon account will be linked to your Discord profile, so communities that use Patreon benefits can automatically recognize you and apply the right roles. This walkthrough focuses on connecting your accounts through Patreon settings, which is the most reliable way to make the link. Start by opening patreon.com in your browser and signing in. Make sure you're using the Patreon account tied to your memberships or the one you want recognized on Discord. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll find it from your Profile menu or the Account menu on the site. Inside Settings, look for the More section. This expands a set of additional options that aren't on the main Basics page. Next, open Connected Apps. This is where Patreon keeps all integrations you can manage, including Discord. It's also where you'll return later if you ever want to disconnect or check the status of the link. Choose Discord from the list. You'll land on the Discord integration page within Patreon. Here, click Connect. Patreon will prepare a secure handoff to Discord so you can approve the connection. When you see the prompt, select Continue to Discord. You'll be redirected to Discord's authorization screen. This page explains what Patreon is requesting, like identifying your account and allowing role syncing. Review the details and proceed when you're comfortable. This approval allows Patreon to confirm who you are on Discord, so communities can grant you membership perks automatically. If you're not already signed into Discord in your browser, log in now. Make sure it's the exact Discord account you use in the servers where you expect Patreon roles. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready. After signing in and authorizing, you'll be sent back to Patreon, where Discord should show as connected. That's it for the connection. From here, join or reopen the server that offers Patreon benefits and give it a moment for roles to sync. If you don't see changes right away, refresh Discord and check that you're in the correct server with the same Discord account you just linked. You can revisit Patreon's connected apps at any time to confirm the link or disconnect if needed. Quick tips before we wrap up. Use a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Ensure pop-ups are allowed for Patreon, and sign out of any extra Discord accounts in the browser to avoid authorizing the wrong one. With your accounts linked, your Patreon status can flow into Discord automatically, keeping your access current without extra work.